What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video, and today we're looking at a trade I took on EURUSD at 3:52 a.m. earlier this morning. Now, if at any point you find anything helpful in this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Liking really helps with the YouTube algorithm and spreads this video to more people who could use the help, and subscribing is just there for if you want to get notified when I post new videos. Now, with that being said, let's dive right into this trade. So the first thing that I noticed last night, or I guess technically earlier this morning when I was looking at the charts, was that we have this level right here. And you'll also notice that price came above it, formed a double top, and then came back below. So essentially what I was waiting was either for price to create a head and shoulders pattern, because we have a left shoulder here, we have a double top here, and I was just waiting to see if price was going to retest the neckline of either this double top or if it was going to create some kind of right shoulder before dropping. So what I did next was I went to a smaller time frame, like the 5 minute, and started doing 5 months, no way 5 minutes, and I started looking a little bit closer. There still wasn't a whole lot of information that I could use that was telling me to sell, so once again I went down to an even smaller time frame. Let's see, right here. So once I was on the 1 minute time frame, I started noticing that we had a little trend forming right here. Yeah, we had a trend down here, but really what I like to see in trends is when price is moving up, but it's really not going anywhere. So for instance, you can see that price is moving up, but every pullback we have an extreme push moving price up. But then all of a sudden we get here and price moves up, it comes back down, and then price gives another big push back up. But you'll notice that price really isn't going anywhere. It's stuck in the same place. So that's why I draw my trend line right here. And we can see that price is getting brick walled in this area. So when I saw this rejection with these three candles, with this one right here, here, and here, this is when I decided to take my trade. You can see that we have all of the rejection from the wicks on the tops of the candles, showing that buyers are losing control. And then we have one little tiny last push, making this double top formation complete, and then we can see that price did tank. We even had price give us a retest of this little trend line that we had drawn. So this was a fairly simple trade. I was just observing the higher time frame, looking and seeing if there was any significant levels or any reason why I should be looking for a trade. I noticed that we have what could be either a head and shoulders pattern or a double top, and then I simply just went down to a smaller time frame and waited for price to come into that area that I was looking at, which was what we have right here with this red line. And then I just started observing the price action, noticed the trend, noticed the rejection, and also we have this formation right here. This is also a double top, and I just went ahead and took my trade. So like I said, if at any point you found anything helpful in this video, go ahead and drop a like and subscribe to get notified when I post new ones. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.